What I was trying to do today was to inspire the audience to take the path less traveled when they're faced with a difficult problem. And as I said, running a business is a constant, succession of having to solve problems. So what I was trying to get everybody to do was to think and color outside the lines that every industry, every business has its own artificial boundaries in thinking. That's why, in my industry, why so much beer advertising looks the same, so much car advertising looks the same, is because those industries start to inhale their own exhaust fumes. And what I was trying to say was, don't think like a food processor. Don't think like a farmer. Think like a great marketer instead. So look to other industries to see how they're solving really difficult problems. You get inspired to solve your problems. One of the examples I gave was Audi, the car manufacturer, wanted to enter the Le Mans 24-hour endurance race. And the head of engineering said to his staff, how can we win this race if we can't build a faster car? So that was a big challenge he was throwing out there. So his staff came back with this very beautiful counterintuitive solution. They built an engine that required 30% fewer pit stops. And they ended up winning the Le Mans race for the next 3 years in a row. And I think that was a beautiful example of counterintuitive thinking. If you can't go faster, how can you win?